Her name is Scarlet.
Yeah. Hi, Scarlet.
I'd so love to have that thing. This one, regular tarantula.
Is it really
a Brazilian pink toe tarantula? That tarantula
Can you dance?
gets really
Can you
scared,
dance?
will squirt
Can you
poo.
dance?
Nice.
Where's the...
Hi, how are you guys?
Hello.
That's a scented slide.
I'm not giving you
Those
that.
are Madagascar.
I didn't ask you to do that.
He's waving.
Raven and Ben.
Do you think you're going to get a treat? Do you think you're going to get a treat? Yeah? How about a hamburger? Would you like a hamburger? You would like a hamburger?
Ask him what the duck. The duck. What is the duck?
What's the duck say?
That is an emperor scorpion. That's the largest scorpion in the world. Now, all scorpions actually glow under UV light. So
Here's your karate
special
moves.
UV light.
Karate Kid. Where's Karate Kid? Karate Kid. You're not doing it right. Karate Kid. Karate Kid. There you go. Karate Kid. Where's your foot? There you go. Good. See your wings? Good.
Cute.
Now Karate Kid. 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 Where's your wings?
Let's take it
Wings and foot. Alright, let's try it with
No, this one knows that
Okay, now it's time. Karate Kid. Karate Kid. Hiya! Good job.
And that's a Scarlet macaw.